The pasuk says, as the introduction to the laws of the Metzora, Zos tihiyeh Torah HaMetzora. This should be the laws of the Metzora. So the question is, there's an extra word here. The extra word is tihiyeh. It should say, this is the laws of the Metzora. This is the purification of the Metzora. And then it will go ahead and tell in the Parsha in the Torah what the halachos are. What's this extra word, tihiyeh? It should be. Maybe you could say as follows. In the days of the Beis HaMikdash, so we had a way to purify oneself from being a Metzora. You would bring the two birds, and you would purify yourself through the korbanos, through the sacrifice. But what do you do nowadays? There is no Beis HaMikdash. There is no temple. So, we already learned in the previous class, based on the verse, it says, Zos Toras HaOlah. This is the law of the Olah, Korban Olah. And that applies to all korbanos. Kol ha'osek b'toras Olah, ki'ilu gehikruv Olah. Anybody who involves himself in the studying of the laws of the Olah is considered as if you brought an Olah. If you involve yourself in the study of the laws of the Korban Shlomim, of the laws of the Korban Toda, the Korban Chatos, it's considered as if you brought those korbanos. So, what do you do for Lashon Hara? So, same thing. You learn the laws of the Metzora, and it's considered as if you purified yourself by learning the halachos. Torah is the best way to be mechaper. As it says, Malpa Lashon Eitz Chaim. To heal yourself from the sin of evil speak is by grasping the tree of life. What is the tree of life? The tree of life is Torah. Not just that. By studying Torah, you don't speak words of evil. Nobody speaks words of evil when they're studying Torah. So Torah can be mechaper for the sin of Lashon Hara. That's what the pasuk means. Zos tihiyeh Torah HaMetzora. Tihiyeh dafka losid. It will be, it's talking about in the future. In the days where there is no Beis HaMikdash, like now. How do you bring the kapara, the purification for the Metzora? By studying the laws of the Metzora, it's considered as if you brought the birds of the Metzora. And not just that, another thing is that by learning Torah, you are mechaper, because by learning Torah, you're not going to continue to do the sin that you're bringing the kapara for. Maybe that's why it says tihiyah. I hope you enjoyed the Devar Torah.